Yo gamer, look behind you. Boo. No.
Okay.
I'm coming. Look who's claiming the Colosseum. Okay, what did you just cast?
Oh, yo, sorry.
What are you doing?
Playing golf.
Can I like?
What do you want?
Can I like have that maze for content?
Literally a mythic maze, bro. You can
Yeah,
only
but,
get it by one thing.
yeah. Okay, tell me.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
With this maze, in order
Let
to
me
get it, you have to do something.
Okay. And that's how I earned the maze. Okay, can you, yeah, can you switch back to the recording? Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, do you have wind charges? I'm gonna go slaughter everybody. Yo. Place mace for the first time. 2 seconds. Huh? Yo.
Huh?
I just found the hacker, wait. Yo, Cass, can you join real quick? Cass. Holy, that shot was tough. Dude, that guy was hacking so hard. What the hell?
Okay, send me the clip, okay?
Yeah, I will. I missed that kind of misery.
Who would you rate the most?
What about time? That guy has one person. I'm taking those, buddy. Goodbye. Ooh. Yo, that was. Oh. Who is this? Okay, bro, I guess. Yes, bro, I guess. Yes, bro, I guess. Oh! Yo, full Netherite player. Am I holding a totem? Why am I lagging?
I'll help you.
No, stay. Let me 1v1 him so he doesn't get scared.
No.
My game is lagging
I don't
so
want you
bad,
to
what the
die.
hell?
That's why I'm helping you. Where is he?
I got him.
But no, where is he? Fast. I don't want you to die.
He's running right now.
Yeah, where? I can catch him. I see him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the guy I wanted to kill. Help me catch him, please. He probably has mending, and you